What's up, social mafia? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to share with you 4 tips how to promote your Instagram account for free. Let's begin. In the beginning of this video, I would like to mention that I have created 3 videos about paid advertisement and how to promote your product or services with the help of Instagram advertisement. And I created 3 videos where I explain step by step how to create your first Instagram campaign. And as for the free promotion of your Instagram account, there also exist several ways. And the first free way to promote your Instagram account is using hashtags. Hashtags still is a very powerful tool to help your content to be discovered by other users, and I made so many videos about how to use hashtags and how to find the hashtags that gonna work for your content. Make sure to watch this video right here. I'm also gonna leave the links in the description box, and I'm not gonna talk a lot about Instagram hashtags because I already made a bunch of content on this topic. The second method is using commenting marketing, if you can say so. What that means, there are 2 ways to use commenting to expose your Instagram account to a bigger audience. The first way, you have to go to a bigger Instagram account. Ideally, this Instagram account has to be in your niche. So you go to a bigger account that has more followers than you have and comment under their post. In this way, many people who also comment this post will be able to discover your content. But make sure to comment something relevant and show your expertise in this topic. The other way how you can use commenting for promoting your own Instagram account is basically go to the profiles of the people who commented post from the bigger account and like and comment their pictures. In this way, you're also going to be exposed to a bigger audience, and thus you can show your expertise, and there is high probability that people can follow you back. The third free method to promote your Instagram account is participating in shoutouts. What that means, the first thing you have to do is to collect the Instagram accounts that are in the similar niche as you are, that have more or less the similar audience as you have. And then you simply write a message into DM that you would like to do a mutual shout out in Instagram stories. So in the end, you agree with several people, and maybe once a week you post an information about an account in your Instagram story, and in return this person to whom you're giving shout will post information about you and your account in their Instagram story. That's how basically Shoutout works, and it's still very powerful tool, but make sure to find accounts that are within your niche. And the last way to promote your Instagram account for free is to organize a giveaway. This can be a loop giveaway or it can be a single giveaway. A single giveaway is just when you are giving something away. For example, I made a competition and decided to give away one of my coaching course to one of the user, and I had such a huge feedback from the people, and many people start to follow me back in order to participate in my giveaway. So you can do the same. Doesn't matter if you're a brand and you want to give out a piece of your product. In return, ask people to follow your Instagram account and to tag their friends, and then you can use services that I'm gonna mention here. I'm also gonna leave a link in the description box how you can find randomly the winner of this giveaway. The other type of giveaway is a loop giveaway. That means you are doing the giveaway not just by yourself but also with other people. What you have to do is basically find other people that has more or less the same audience and invite them to be sponsors of this giveaway. Sorry if I have now a different angle because my memory card is full. Anyway, so we continue with the giveaways. I was talking about loop giveaways. A loop giveaway, you have to find different participants or sponsors of this loop, and each of the participants have to give something away. Ideally has the same theme or the same objectives. For example, you're giving some informative product, and there are 2 ways to organize loop away. Either it's gonna be a separate page where a person have to follow all the followers of this page, or the same day have to publish post about this giveaway and mentioning the caption, the sponsors of this giveaway, and some rules. For example, the participant of this giveaway have to follow all the sponsors of this giveaway and tag a friend and give a like to this post. The giveaway tool works really well and you can get a lot of traffic, but you have to be very careful with the giveaways because to make people interested in your page, for this of course you have to prepare your Instagram account for good content, that the person is not just following your account but the time of giveaway but stays with you for a long term because they simply like your content and values that you provide to your audience. if you want me to make the videos about giveaway and how to organize a giveaway, make sure to list this in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video so far. Make sure to smash this like button and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet, and hit the notification bell button to not miss any of my videos. And that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to leave them below, and if there's any topic you want me to cover in the future videos, mention them as well in the comment section, because I create content based on your requests.